Hey North Newton families, this is Michelle Glover. I'm the instructional coach at North Newton, and I just wanted to send out a message to all of our students and parents and families and just let you know how much we miss you already. And we wanted to give you some tips for how to do this remote learning from home. This is uncharted territory for all of us, so be patient with us. We're learning as well. Some other things I want to remind you of is keep open communication with your child's teacher. Don't hesitate to send emails to them or contact them through Class Dojo. Teachers also will have office hours for the best times to contact them. That information should come out when they send out their learning plans for your kiddos. Check those daily for your child's assignments. And remember that teachers are still taking grades and they are responsible for teaching your children during this time at home. But we also need your help to make sure your child is working at home. And we really encourage you to do that with your kiddos. Make sure that they're sitting down and doing the assignments. A good practice is to set up a schedule each day and set up a set time and a set place in your home for that learning to take place, and set those expectations so they understand this is still very important. Because when they come back to school, they need to pick up where we left off, and we need to keep on moving. You may assist your children with work, but please don't do it for them. Ask your teacher, your child's teacher, if they're struggling with anything. Ask the teacher for help, or let the teacher know if something's too hard, if they're having a hard time with something that is sent out. Again, please be patient. We're all learning how to do this. Teachers are working super hard. They're working overtime to plan fun and exciting things for kids to do at home. And so just be patient with them. If links and things like that aren't working when they send them out for remote learning, just let the teacher know. We're all trying real hard to get this done in a very quick turnaround time. Last of all, we love you and we miss all of you, and we want you to be safe and stay healthy, and we can't wait to see you soon. Bye.